What's up, everybody? It's your girl Dwana here, and I'm back with another video. What's up, everybody? I just want to say thank you to everybody that's been watching my videos, leaving comments and everything. And some of the comments I do read whenever I do have a chance, with me being, real busy and stuff. And I know some people were asking, what type of insurance do I use, what insurance company that I use and all that. So that's what today's video was going to be about. And actually, I'm going to fit in a short clip of insurance that I have compared, which is another company, another competitor. I'm gonna show you guys what I have, and as far as with the 100,000 cargo and the 1 million liability. General liability is what you need far as with commercial insurance and dealing with logistic companies and shippers and things of that nature. I'm gonna show you a comparison, and I'm going to tell you how much I actually pay each month, and compare it to the competitor that I actually looked up and saw as well. So there's going to be a clip in there that I'm going to fit into this video, so you guys can actually see the comparison of what I have and how much I get charged for compared to what other companies are charging for the exact same thing. So everybody knows that Progressive is the most popular one in commercial insurance. So of course I do have Progressive insurance, and like I mentioned before, I have the general liability, the 1 million for that, and then 100,000 for the cargo insurance. And of course, I have the like physical damage or anything like that, the deductible is like 1,000 or so. So and I paid $735 per month. Okay, it was at $755 per month, but it came down to $20, so it made out to $735 per month. So that's pretty much how much I get charged each month for commercial insurance. There's no other way to go around commercial insurance when you're in the cargo van business. Commercial insurance is basically the only insurance that you can get when you're using your commercial vehicle or your commercial or your cargo van as a business. When you're doing freight and deliveries and things of that nature, all of that, they still consider that all commercial. Okay, and I know a lot of people they're paying a lot more than what I'm getting charged for. So basically, it all depends on how far that you're willing to travel. Pretty much all based upon your commercial insurance as well. So since I'm doing locally and I'm within a 500 mile radius or so, so that's why my insurance is at $735 now. Okay, and because beforehand, when I very first started out, of course, it was over the road, and so the insurance had to bump up a little bit, and that was like around $803 or $5. It was how much I originally was charged when I was over the road, and my down payment was $699. Is how much I paid, to get my insurance going and stuff like that, because you need insurance, before you purchase any type of commercial vehicle or cargo van or whatever. All right, you guys, I'm back. I had to erase a couple of things off of my SD card, and but anyways, back to what I was saying. So my down payment was $699 that I had to pay in order to get my insurance and everything started. Of course, you need, like I mentioned before, you need insurance, before, and it's with, if you buy a car or whatever, you need insurance before you start purchasing a vehicle, because, the dealerships or the car lots or whichever you got your vehicles from, you're going to have insurance beforehand. And you have to have proof of insurance, like I said, before you make that sales purchase of your vehicle. So, and, yeah, it's commercial insurance is high. It's very high. I mean, there's some people out there that are paying like $2,000 a month, $4,000 a month, and I know some of them has to be has to be like box trucks. I'm sure box trucks are a lot more monthly and stuff, and they have a higher down payment to start their insurance. Or there's some other people that even have cargo vans that are paying at least $1,000 each month. I was quoted by other insurance companies. I was quoted at ridiculous amounts, and I was just like, absolutely not. Somebody had quoted me $21,000 per year for a cargo van for commercial insurance, and I said absolutely not. No, I'm not paying that. So I just happened to come up on a Progressive, and I pretty much, they were a lot better with the quotes and stuff. They were way a lot better than what I've been quoted before by other insurance companies. So I pretty much, that was my choice, was to go with Progressive. And I know some people have been asking, what other insurance companies out there other than Progressive can you use that offer commercial insurance? Because I have asked my the insurance company that I get my my car insurance from. They don't do commercial. So unfortunately, with that, but I had to move on to the next. So that's pretty much what's out there, unless you have people too that are like insurance agents that can also help you out too, that anybody that's like that does insurance, commercial insurance. You can pretty much ask them for like quotes and stuff, because there's a lot of them out there. I know I get a couple of emails, or I get calls from them, asking me, for their services and stuff like that, and everything. And sometimes it just doesn't work out with them, because the way they how they're quoting me for the exact same thing, it was a little bit more than what I'm actually paying now. So I'm pretty much comfortable with, even though it's hard to to pay that that money, because it's still a lot to me. It's still a lot, I guess, coming from car insurance and stuff, and then having to pay compared to commercial is like, of course it's a completely big difference, because I mean, you're carrying freight, and there's a lot of risk that you have to keep in mind that could happen, so those are pretty much my options, my point of views of commercial insurance and stuff, because like I mentioned before earlier in the video, somebody had asked me what insurance company that I use, and and I just wanted to make a video of that, and just pretty much just break it down for people, to help them out, the ones that are looking for insurance and stuff like that for the cargo van. Pretty much just weigh out your options. Just weigh out your options, because certain things may not be good for others, but for other people it'd be good for them. It may be a good opportunity for them than some other people. So those are my tips about commercial insurance. I hope that answers all y'all's questions and stuff. And I'm gonna go ahead and slip in this video clip that I did. I did a comparison between what my policy is to the same exact policy that I currently have, and compared it with how much another insurance company, the competitor, how much they were charging, how much they would charge. And then mine is the 12-month period. This is the 12-month period. So you'll actually see in there how much they're charging compared to how much I charge for the exact same thing. Okay. Unless, if they could gave a better quote, but I just pretty much just did it online myself, and just to get a general idea of how much other insurance companies were actually charging. And I was just like, wow, it was an outrageous amount of money that they were charging this company that I was comparing to mine. So you guys watch that clip. All right, you guys, so I wanted to come on here and show you guys how much, far as this is for my insurance and stuff, and what my insurance
comes with the 700. It actually went down 20 bucks. I just made my payment on my insurance today. It went down to 735. So it knocked off 20 bucks for this month. And you can see right here for the combined limited, and this is for the general liability insurance, which is the 1 million that you guys see right here. And then you look down here, I also have the cargo. This is the cargo insurance too. Right here is the 100,000. And then you go down here, this is for the physical damage. This is the limit that they have right here for my 2016 Ford Transit cargo van. And you see right here the deductibles for that. Okay, so that's the details of my insurance, as you guys see right here. Now I went up to the competitors now, and same thing. So I just happened to go online and it showed the competitors price here. So you see right here for the bodily injury, right here, property damage, liability for the 1 million. Okay, and you see the price right there, how much. Yep, for the 2016 Ford Transit. Okay, and like I was showing you guys right here for the physical damage, same thing right here, $1,000 deductible. Okay, and then this is for the cargo liability, for the cargo, which is the 100,000, which I also have on my insurance. And this is the grand total. Okay, that's the actual annual. Okay, now this is for the competitor's price. So they're charging $24,684. So to break it down to monthly, it is $2,057 for the 12 months. That's how much the competitor is charging. The same exact premium that I have with Progressive. Okay, mine is only $735. Same vehicle, but this is what the competitor is actually charging. And mine is on a 12-month period as well. But you see, they have like literally doubled and tripled on their price. So, you know, this commercial insurance is not cheap, you guys. So I'm going to pretty much stick with what I got, because that's, I mean, $2,057 a month for a 12-month period, and then you're paying $24,684 of the year, and mine is only $7,000. Yeah, that's ridiculous. That I would definitely not do. And that's why you just gotta shop around, you guys. You know, make sure you guys shop around before you make any type of purchase or anything like that with these insurance and stuff, because you know, this could be you right here. Okay, so that's why you got to be careful what type of insurance that you choose in the company, and make sure you do your research and get your quotes. You know, I was just doing this just to see and just compare and contrast, compared to what my premium is and compared to other companies that are charging for the exact same vehicle. So there you guys, so I just want to share that with you. So that's it. See y'all later.
But other than that, you guys, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. There's going to be plenty more videos about the cargo van business, you guys, so stay tuned. Make sure you guys check out, like I mentioned before in my other video from last time, I'm affiliate marketer for Advanced Autos, so I'm in partnership with them. There's a link down there below where they have like a sale going on for Power Stop brakes. So if you need any brakes or anything like that, make sure you check out the link below. I'll have all that information down there. You guys go check it out. And yeah, other than that, thank you guys. I hope you guys have a great day, have a great week, and I'll see you on the next video.